Life as a homeschool mom can be extremely hectic, and sometimes we need to just slow it down to really enjoy the process and our loved ones. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see the beauty in everything you do. Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm a homeschooling mom since 2012. And today I want to shoot a day in the life homeschool video, but I want to do it a little bit differently. I'm not even going to talk during the video. I just want to show you clips throughout our day and slow it down a bit, because I find myself being very hectic, sometimes irritable, and not enjoying the everyday moments of being with my kids, which is what I love to do more than anything in this world. So today we are going to attempt to slow it down and enjoy the process. So I'm going to take you on a full day and give you guys little clips of what a full day for us looks like, but we're going to try to see the beauty in it all. I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Battery right here. There's a big battery underneath here, if I see it. And what that does is it actually is like the heart. It creates electricity to make the car turn on. Okay, so it provides just enough electricity to make all this stuff start working.